A very warm welcome to all of you present here. I, Anshul Pandey, would be acquainting you with this distinguished and exquisite profession of architecture. Now we start by discussing the skills required for architecture. The first one is design skills and knowledge. The knowledge of buildings and construction. To be thorough and pay attention to detail. Thinking and reasoning skills. Customer service skills. Excellent verbal communication skills, analytical thinking skills, the ability to use your own initiative, and to be able to use a computer and the main software packages confidently. Now we discuss about the scope in this career. You can become an architect, interior and spatial designer, historic buildings inspector, production designer, structural engineer, town planner, building surveyor, and architectural technologist. Now you all must be curious about how you can acquire this education. So let us look at some universities for architecture in India. These are as follows. First one is SPA Delhi. SPA means School of Planning and Architecture. Next one is Sir J. College of Architecture. The third one is Birla Institute of Technology and Manipal Institute of Architecture and Planning, and some other institutes which are abroad. It includes University of Liverpool, New Jersey Institute of Technology, University of Nottingham, and many others which you can see here. Now we let you know about the famous personalities in the field of architecture. These people are Brinda Somya, Rajiv Saini, Charles Mark Correa, and Raj Rewal. Now you all must be thinking about the salary you can get in this field. So let us discuss about that. If you are a beginner architect, then you can earn anything between 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh per annum, and your salary will gradually increase with your experience. If you are an experienced architect, then you can earn up to 5 lakh per annum in the current market. Also, within this field of architect, the salaries vary widely, as the big companies or private companies can pay you more when compared to the government sector or government companies if you are a highly skilled architect. Also, the demand of the residential houses are also increasing, and they will increase as the time passes. Also, as the supply side keeps struggling to keep up with the burgeoning, or we can say increasing demand, so it is logical to assume that the prospects and the salary of the architect will witness a further increase in the future. Now, here are some of the largest public sectors in India where the employees get an appreciable amount of salary. These public sectors include PWD, Public Works Department, Ministry of Defense, Post and Telegraphs, and many others which you can see here. Along with this, we will discuss about some major and high paying private companies in the design and construction sector in India. These companies are DLF, Sahara, Eros Group, Gamon India, L&T, Aeons Construction, etc. Then we move towards some of the famous monuments in the world. Now we talk about the tallest building in this world, that is Burj Khalifa, which is also known as the Dubai Burj. This building was inaugurated in 2010, although it took many years to build, but this resulted in the creation of a masterpiece. We can say that this building has become a trademark of Dubai, and nowadays many people are aware of this building and they know very well about it. Now we talk about Lotus Temple. This building is one of the best examples of architecture. This building is located in Delhi, India. The most attractive thing about this building is the lotus-like design of it. And the height of this building is 34 meters, and it is having the capacity of 2,500 people. Also, according to a CNN report of 2001, they referred this building as the most visited building in the world. Now we talk about Eiffel Tower, which is located in Paris, France. Now, this tower truly defines architecture because of its complex design, which provide it a perfect look. Also, this tower is 324 meters tall, and it is of the same height as a 81-story building. People visit Paris to see this tower in front of their eyes. And next is Taj Mahal, which is one of the seven wonders of the world. This was built by Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. It also houses the tomb of Shah Jahan himself. Taj Mahal is fully made of marble and it is located in Agra, India. Thank you and have a great day ahead.